Guess who?
Hi, we haven't actually met.
I'm really upset. I was a terrible mom today. I told Valerie she was pretty.
Molly, don't you want her to love her for her whole self and not her outer shell?
You dreamed of being adventurous.
It's a yes from me.
Yes, Zuma Zuma. There's far too many of you dying. You know you got to find a way to bring some love in today. You're scared, oh yeah, you're scared and moves. Turn it into something beautiful. So then the time I went and said goodbye. Now I'm back and not ashamed to cry. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. I got the money. Said now, yes, you say what can make me feel. My girl, I gotta let you know that you're unforgettable. You should be famous. You're so beautiful. Everyone should know. You'll put on a show.
Well, I hear that train a-comin', she's rolling around the bend. I ain't seen sunshine, don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, time is dragging on.